Welcome back to my channel. For today's video we will be unboxing August premium BoxyCharm. Yay! This time I wanted to reverse it and start with the premium instead of the base box. A big shout out to BoxyCharm for sending me the August box this month. Alright guys, let's jump in. Look at the beautiful box. I don't think I've ever had the box that said premium. And the theme for this month is go all out. This is so cute. The first item we have here is by the brand Wishful. Wishful is the skincare by Huda Beauty. And I have never tried it, so I'm excited to try it. First of all, love the packaging, is so pretty. This is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. It's so cute. It's pretty big. It actually has 1.94 ounces. I love the packaging on this too. The holographic letters and the lavender color. It's not glass, it's actually plastic. The product itself, it's so dewy, so beautiful. It has a pink iridescence. This is a luxurious textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extracts help minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. And it smells amazing, guys. It smells like lavender. It actually has lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric, but I smell more lavender. It smells so good. It makes you feel calm. My skin was deeply hydrated. It looks amazing, and because of that iridescence, it makes you glow. I love this so much. And I actually used it with another item in the box that I will talk about later. This little guy retails for $49. Next, we have an item by the brand Vesca Beauty. This is the first time I hear about it, but beautiful packaging. It's so cute. This is the Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. This is the simple packaging. It's simple, yet very elegant. You have the nice compact size mirror and the beautiful matte bronzer. This is a velvety smooth bronzer delivering covetable sun-kissed warm to face and body with a scent that will transport you to your dreamiest destination. It gives all skin tones a healthy glow with an ultra blendable formula that leaves a soft matte skin-like finish. This is actually available in 7 shades. This shade is called Kissed by Diani. I actually use this to contour, then I used a bigger brush to apply it all over to bronze up my skin, and it's so beautiful. It also has a beautiful scent that reminds me a lot of the Physicians Formula scent, so it's coconut butter. This little guy retails for $30. The next item is by a brand I didn't know either. It is called OSEA. I'm just kidding. It's called OSEA. This is the Sea Minerals Mist, and the packaging on this, guys. This is actual glass. You can feel it. It's so elegant. It's so chic. Balance and soothe skin with the supercharged toning mist. OSEA's priority blend of nutrient-rich seaweed visibly evens your skin tone, while minerals work their magic. Cooling and refreshing, the aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun-drenched skin. Microcloud mist is the ideal delivery system for plumping hydration. I read reviews already on this, and it says that the mist, it's a little bit harsh rather than a soft mist, but I have to disagree. I don't know if the pumper was different on the bottles, but I freaking love the mist. It's actually soft and not harsh at all. I mean, I didn't apply it so close to my face and not too far away. I just did like this. This is the... I just bathed myself in it and I loved it. I read that it's too harsh, that it will ruin your makeup, but it didn't ruin my makeup. It was not harsh at all. I definitely love that it's a toner in a mist. Love that idea. Instead of using cotton pads to apply the toner, you just mist it. So I actually used it as a toner and as a setting spray. I actually didn't smell anything, but it's very, very refreshing. This little guy retails for $38. Next, we have another item by another brand that I didn't know. I am so happy that I got this. This is the Luxe and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. I already have one that has 2 ends and it rolls, but this is a vibrating facial massager. So you have to put a battery, which is not included. And let me tell you guys, it relaxes you. Wow. So this will help you achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. Helps to contour and tone the skin, while the cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your favorite serum or moisturizer to maximize the results of your skincare routine. This is the item that I actually combined with the Wishful Balm Moisturizer. It's so pretty, first of all. It is water resistant and not waterproof, so don't drench underwater. Just if it splashes, like, just dry it. It's a really weird tool I've never had before. The battery actually goes at the top. Makes a weird noise. You put your AA battery in here. As you can see, just one. At the bottom it says on or off. So you just have to twist very little and there you go. It feels so good on your skin. If you want to turn it off, you just twist back. For all skin types, reduces toxins, anti-wrinkles, skin tightening, activates and rejuvenates skin cells, and contours face skin. I try to use it in the right direction, get that blood circulation going on my face. This little guy retails for $79. Next, we have a product by Zoeva, which is a brand I do know. This is the Powerful Lip Twist Lipstick. Such a cute packaging, a rose gold, anything rose gold, rose quartz. I love it. It's a nude lipstick in the shade Semele. It's such a pretty nude. I thought it was gonna be this kind of nude, but it's actually more of a brownie nude. It is still super light for my lips if I use it alone. So I had to combine it with a darker lip liner. So as you can see, I just added it to the center and it looks very beautiful. This is a smooth, creamy comfort and pure color. It is boosted with raspberry stem cells with a strong moisturizing activity. The thin filmed finish is extremely adherent, never dry, and always comfortable. This is a mechanical lip twist. You actually have to twist the bottom to get the product out. And at the end of the pencil, you have a sharpening tool so you can keep that tip sharp. If you're wondering what lip liner I'm using, I'm actually using the St. Luxe Secret Admirer lip liner. So it definitely is very hydrating. This little guy retails for $14. And last but not least, we have the Laruce face discs. These are reusable makeup remover pads. I freaking love these guys. I wanted to buy makeup remover pads from Amazon because I'm trying to do everything I can so I don't waste so much. So it's a pack of 3. You get the white one, which is so fluffy and fuzzy. I love it. They're so soft and very spongy. They're all kind of different. The black and the white one feel very similar, but the gray one feels like the fuzziness is a lot shorter. It feels more like a towel. This is an eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft, plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. So as you can see from the side, the black one is the thickest one, then it's the white one, and the thinnest one is the gray one. You can see the fluffiness on them too. Just so you know, these are vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. You have to wet the face discs with lukewarm water. White one to remove makeup, gray to apply toners and serums, and the black one to wash your face. I have only used so far the black one and the gray one. So the black one, I used it to wash my face and it feels so soft. So since I had the mist toner, I decided to use my serum with the gray one. Since I'm going out, I will come back and remove my makeup using this. I just finished removing my makeup using the white disc. It did remove all my makeup. Sadly, there is some black spots left, and that is the color of the eyeliner, but it's mainly glue because it doesn't want to come off. The rest of the makeup came off completely. The lash glue really stuck on it. So I don't know if it's gonna come off when I wash it in the washing machine. So hopefully it will. It sucks that the one to remove the makeup is actually the white one. I freaking love them so much. The only thing I do have to say is that the black one, when I drenched it with lukewarm water, squishing it like this underwater, a lot of the fibers came off. So I don't know how long lasting it's gonna be. So be careful with that. If I do need to wash them, I do have a mesh little bag where I can just throw them in with my laundry. This set retails for $24. And that was everything that we got in the August premium box. I am so happy with all the products. I actually, again, don't think I have a favorite because I really loved every single item that I got. I can't pick one. But if you can pick one, please let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite item this month in the premium box. The total value of this entire box is $234.99. But if you're subscribed to BoxyCharm, you can get it for $35. Not only that, but you get 6 items in total, 2 items of choice, customization, add-ons, access to the pop-up online store, and you get rewards. All for $35 a month. That completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Don't forget to leave in the comments down below your favorite item, and also keep on watching to see how I test these products out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!
Be with me.